Imwe Ravu Chipuba. I have seen people employ behaviors which are out of line in the name of love. Umuntu asenda karoba mukomboni just to buy his woman if yakufwara with the idea to impress their woman. To me personally, that's a wrong move. Usually such happens when you date women you can't afford. Women you can't afford will make you employ behaviors which are not right. Always go for women you can afford. Ngata ulifaya ukuchula. Achana po Zambia. Mulive vyonse. Ifwe kuno tulive vyonse. Rero naracha react kuru rwimbo rwakwa Richie Busy. And the title of the song ni Ravu Chipuba. And it was produced by Smooth Touch. Wetata ingoma narisha winomu guys. Big up to the team which did manage the sound production. Before I react to this song, Muntu and Richie Busy Afumishe, there are two things I want to talk about. And the first thing I want to talk about Nichi. Wetata tintule support abantu besu. Tintule pampa mo abantu besu. Let us promote Zambian businesses. Let us buy Zambian businesses. Believe you me, if we are employing such behaviors on a daily basis, ne chalo chesu Zambia kuti chava ichalo ichamaka sana. The second thing I want to talk about is Wetata. It is very much okay to make money off someone's work, but use methods which are recognized in the books of the law. Pakupange ndalama. If such is the reality, no one is going to come and disturb you. But if you are using crooks law, pakupange ndalama, and the authorities discovers that you are employing such behaviors, imagine nakapiti waingishe mu makwebo yobe. Plus wala kuingisha na muchifungo, meaning ni pressure per pressure. You don't want that. That's why today it is better you're making money using methods which are recognized in the books of the law. Like that, no one is going to come and disturb you. Wetata iwe naine nama music institutions mu music society na government of the day tufire tuwabombera chapamu mukupwisha piracy. Believe you me, if such behaviors have been employed on a daily basis na piracy mucharo chesu kuti yapwa. And if such is the reality of the day, this would create a large room for our entertainers ukupange ndalama mucharo chesu icha Zambia. Wetata, my advice to all the music distributors ni it is better you're distributing music copies at a smaller scale. Then those music copies you're distributing at a smaller scale, original music copies. Like that, no one is going to come and disturb you. But if you're distributing music copies at a larger scale, music copies you're distributing at a larger scale, Fima Gonga. Wetata, if such is the reality and the authorities discovers that you are employing such behaviors, imagine a capital wa ingishemu. Meaning wala side ya capital plus wala kuingisha na mchifungu. Meaning ni pressure per pressure. Wetata, that's the very reason why in date that it is better you're distributing music copies at a smaller scale. Then those music copies you're distributing at a smaller scale, original music copies. And if such is the reality, ukalapanga aka profiti aka nono. Wetata, indalama tashifula kukwa tafia mano mwakushibomfeshela, even though lepanga aka nono, but ngana kwata mano mwakushibomfeshela. Believe you me, kali akanono kuti kakubika pansansa. That's why bayama bandi ba kings le marembe batira ati umuntu mutwe wetata kula bonfyo umutwe. So that's the small profit you are making, divide it into small percentages. Let us say 20% of that small profit you are making, you invest it into your business so that the business yakula. Then the other small percent of that small profit you're making, let us say 30%, you save it for emergency purposes and for future use. No one knows what tomorrow will bring on the table. Kutifia or an opportunity would arise in the picture. And if such is the reality, that something you save, you can use it to balance the equation. Then the other small percent of that small profit you're making, let us say 50%, you can use it to cater for today's needs, to cater for your bills, your rentals, water bills, electricity bills, those kind of things. Wetata tend to, wetata, success is not a one-day thing. It is a process, and you need to be willing to go through that process. And while that process is occurring, you are going to mature. You are going to understand that aspect of business. You are going to know the do's and don'ts of that aspect of business. You are going to know the right behavior to employ and the wrong behavior not to employ. You are going to know the right people to bring close and the wrong people not to bring close. Wetata, it is not everyone you should bring close to you. Bantu bambinga wabaleta mpepi, they are going to disturb you. But some people, if you bring them close, believe you me, they are going to help you to achieve a particular goal. So you should be wise with people you affiliate yourself with. Wetata chentu butukire pa YouTube channel yakwa Rich Busy. Let us subscribe to his YouTube channel. Yonse amarwimbo yakwe epo yali pa YouTube channel yakwe. And if you're a fan of his music, tandalira pa YouTube channel yakwe wala asanga amarwimbo yakwe yonse. Even this song he has released epo iri pa YouTube channel yakwe. Wete atachentu utukire pa Bumpre channel yakwa Rich Busy. Let us subscribe to his Bumpre channel. Yonse amarwimbo yakwa Rich Busy epo yaripa Bumpre channel yakwe. And if you're a fan of his music, tandalira pa Bumpre channel yakwe wara asanga amarwimbo yakwe yonse. Then download that song you like he did. Even this song he has released, Love Chipuba, epo iripa Bumpre channel yakwe. Now, here is the big question. What's the beauty of subscribing to our musicians' music, Pama music streaming channels? What's the beauty of streaming our musicians' music, Pama music streaming channels? The beauty which is there, ni wetata. If we are employing such behaviors, we are subscribing to our musicians' music, Pama musicians' music streaming channels. We are streaming their music, Pama music streaming channels. Meaning bakalapanga indalama. And if such is the reality, we are indirectly empowering our people. And if such is the reality, they are going to manage to support themselves. They are going to manage to support their families. They are going to manage to even finance their music activities in the music society. Wetata tientule support abantu besu. Tientule pampamo abantu besu. Now let me react to this song Umuntu and Rich Busy Afumishe. And the title of the song ni Love Chipuba. Point number one, this song has that sense of belonging, that Zambian way of storytelling. Ningoma isha kumiensu. And my advice to all our musicians ni promote the Zambian sound, promote the Zambian way of storytelling. To all those my fans or audience, that other side of the river ni Zimbabwe kuria. All in all, we do it for the culture, for the love of Zambian music. Tie we.